Alright, I'm going to show you how to clear and delete your call history on Android phones. Now, this is all pretty similar across different phones, but the phone app will look slightly different depending on what type of Android phone you're using. If you're using something like a Pixel or Motorola phone, you will go to the phone app, and then here on your homepage or where you see your recent calls, I could select any call, and then I can long press the call, and just tap delete if I want to delete that individual entry from my phone app. If I wanted to delete everything at once, I could tap those three lines up there in the top left corner and just tap clear call history. This will delete all calls from my history, so it'll clear everything and the app will be nice and clean right here with nothing to show. If you're using something like a Samsung Galaxy phone, it'll look very similar, just a slightly different design in the phone app. So I'll go to the phone app first, and here on the bottom, I can go to the Recent tab. And once again, I can long press an individual call and choose to delete that. Or if I want to delete multiple calls, I could just press one of them and then up here select all and then tap delete all. It's going to delete my entire call history. And that is how you delete your call history on Android phones. Click that like button if this video helped you and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all, until next time.